Hi, my name's Kelly Bennett, and I'm here to show you some of the great features of one of our newest online resources, CreativeBug. CreativeBug is a collection of professionally produced art and craft video classes for a wide range of subjects and skill levels. It's curated by Joanne Fabric and Crafts, a leader in the craft world. CreativeBug is included in your library membership, and it's free to use. First, from our website, ferndalepubliclibrary.org, you're going to click on Online Resources. And now you'll find CreativeBug right up here. If you are accessing CreativeBug from home, you'll be asked for your library card number to log in. If you're in the library, however, you won't be asked for your card number, but you will be asked to create an account. Now you'll be able to create an account with your first name, last name, email, and password. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Now, if we click on See Latest Classes here, we can see what there is to see. Look at the dazzling array of categories of projects. From sewing and quilting to baking and jewelry, let's delve into a category with a lot of classes, sewing. If you like, you can browse all the classes by simply scrolling through the page, and more will appear when you reach the bottom. Or, if you're looking for something specific, you can use the filter results at the top of the screen. We can see that sewing is already chosen, but you also have class type and instructor as a way to filter. So let's choose sewing and for beginners to get us some beginning level classes. Now let's look for something to try. How about sewing pants number 1? Now you'll see at the top of this screen a navigation for how this category is broken down. You've got the title of the class, as well as a rating and the number of raters. Here in the middle is the video, of course, and some navigation buttons below it. Before we start the video, let's see what else this page has to offer. Our description tells us what to expect and what we'll be learning. Chapters will show us each chapter and how it's broken down. This would be the easiest way to skip ahead if you wanted to. Clicking on materials shows us what supplies we will need. It will also give us a link to download patterns and other printables. So we can take a look real quick. You've got a description, a list, some pattern sizes, as well as a printable pattern. The gallery is going to show us a few images from CreativeBug of the project that we're working on, as well as a member gallery where folks have shared pictures of the product that they've worked on. If you mouse over, you can see that you can share these images on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. You can like or comment or simply enlarge the image to see it better. And of course, you can add your image if you want to share your beautiful pants that you've created after watching this class. Discussion is self-explanatory. You'll find comments and other discussion topics here. If you wish to take notes on the class, you can click this button and your notes will appear at the spot in the video, the time code where you have taken them, so that they're context sensitive. Watch list will allow you to add this video to your watch list. You can create a list of favorites or simply things that you're interested in learning. The transcript, you can either download this, or as the video plays, you'll notice that sections of words will highlight and you can simply follow along. This could be useful for users with hearing impairment, or if you simply rather read than listen. And finally, download PDF is another link to the patterns and other printables. All right, now let's watch the video. Simply click the play button. You can see the very familiar play controls here. If you've got the transcript going, you can see that we can simply follow along as each section is highlighted in pink. If you bring the video to full screen, you can watch it without distracting controls. If you move your mouse or your keyboard, you can see an X will arrive for you to close, or you can take a look at the playlist and see where you are in the sequence of the class. You'll also see, if we get to the end of the video, the Next Up section, which will tell you what's next in the series. Once you've watched all the videos in a class, you'll have the opportunity to give it a rating. So let's get out of full screen here. Pause our video. You can also see related classes. So that is what most of the video pages look like. Let's take a look for some other cool tidbit of CreativeBug before we're finished. Up here you've got a navigation bar that shows you classes, which is similar to what we looked at on the search page. Inspiration. If we click on that, you get a Pinterest-like gallery of images uploaded by users. And just like the images in the gallery on the video page, you can like, comment, and share. There's a pattern library where you can scroll through and download patterns. This crescent shawl looks pretty. Class collections, which brings together classes that are related. There's a blog, calendar, and a list of all the instructors, their classes, and a little bit about them. Next up here, we've got CBTV, which is a deeper dive into creativity, featuring episodes that allow you to get to know the instructors, see docu-series about creative people. Their Facebook Live videos that they post weekly are archived here as well, and there are lookbooks for each month of the year that feature new classes that are going to be going up on CreativeBug. You've also got this section called Daily Practice, which features video classes that prompt you to practice your creativity every day. If we take a look at this daily portrait challenge, you'll see that when we get to chapters, there's an overview chapter, and then each chapter after that is a day in the challenge. Adding this to your watch list will help keep you on track for your challenge and encourage daily practice. And of course, there's a search bar at the top as well. You can filter by classes, images, instructors, or blog, and simply search. I hope this video has you excited to learn with this invaluable free resource provided by the Ferndale Area District Library. We'd love to hear how you've used CreativeBug to learn new skills, create projects, or simply get inspired. Comment below, email us at info@ferndalepubliclibrary.org, or find us on Facebook and Instagram at Ferndale Public Library.